We ended up doing a whole new underlayment under our tile roof. It was a PSU 30, I believe, that TSM recommended. We know that we're gonna live in our house for a long time, so we wanted to kind of go with the best products that were out there. Got a hold of Sheldon at TSM, and he showed us all the best products on the market and the warranty. Everything was great. I've known Sheldon for a lot of years. I didn't meet his guys personally. They came and did the roof in one day. So they were there when we left for work and they were gone when we got home. The roof was done. I had a couple little issues with the roof edge. Sheldon sent his guys back within 2 or 3 days, took care of that, and it's been great. I know the roofing industry really well in Phoenix, so I kind of know that prices are inflated, but I wanted to go with the best products and the best knowledgeable staff, and I know that Sheldon has those. Most people, subcontract, and most of the companies don't know the products very well, where Sheldon's, very knowledgeable about the best stuff on the market, and that's why we went with TSM.
We had a really great experience. Sheldon is awesome. He took care of us really well. Like Lyle said, the crew came in the morning. We were leaving for work when they got there. They did everything in one day, start to finish. When we got back, everything was cleaned up and perfectly done, like they hadn't been there at all. We communicated with Sheldon and he was really easy to work with. We recommend them for sure. The communication was great. Sheldon is really easy to work with. He got back to us quickly when we had some questions. As far as, throughout the process, there were a couple of little things that we wanted done, we were a little bit picky about, and he got back to us immediately, sent somebody out, and made it just how we wanted it. So yeah, it was a great experience. We definitely would recommend TSM Roofing.
Perfect.